Hey there, musicians. It's Mr. Clegg with video number 7. We're going to learn about the chord scale now in the key of C. All right, so just a quick review of what we learned before. In order to make a major chord, we have to start with a root note. We have to go up 4 half steps to this third note, and then we have to go up 3 more half steps to get to the 5th note. So just to review what that looks like, here's our C. We have to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's G. And then we have to go up 3 more. And that's, I said it wrong. That was E. Now that's G. There we go. C, E, G. There we go. So we have our root, our third, and our 5th. So to get to our third, we go up 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to get to our 5th note, we go up 3 more spaces. 1, 2, 3. So that's our major. If we want to do a minor, it's the same exact thing, except we lower the third by a half step. So there's our lowered third. And what that means is that to get the third, we go up 3 half steps. So we go here, we go 1, 2, 3. And then we take from there, we go up 4 more to get to the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's our 1. That's our minor chord. That's our C minor chord. Now I'm going to teach you one more new kind, which is a diminished. And what that is you just go up 3 and then 3. So that would be, if it was a C diminished, it would be like here. 1, 2, 3, just like we had before. Same as the minor. But now we only go 3 up. We're going to go up 3 more for the next one. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So here's our diminished chord. So that has an even sadder kind of sound. You might be used to hearing that sound from those really old silent movies where there would be some villain that tied a lady to a railroad track and the train is coming and it's going to be like, oh no, the train's coming, what are we going to do? That's the type of sound you might associate with that diminished chord. Okay, so the reason why I taught you that is that a diminished chord is shown with the symbol of like a little degree. It's kind of like, you know, if it's, let's see if I can get this thing to work. Okay, there we go. Like, let's say it's, 68 degrees and, you have the little circle up there. That's not a 0 or an O. That's just a little circle that's up above. And so the same kind of symbol is used when we want to indicate a diminished chord. So you'll see that here. There's a B diminished. So let's go through and see how this works. In the key of C, if we're going to use all the notes from that key, which is all the white notes. So here's our C. I'm actually going to scoot this down a little bit because, let's see, go the other way. I want to make sure there's enough room to have all my chords here. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to play my C. All right, so there's C is a major chord because it's, so you go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you go up 3, 1, 2, 3. C is major. If I just slide everything up on the white keys, now I have my D. D is a minor chord, and the reason why it's minor is because it goes only up 1, 2, 3, right? And then this one goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes from here. It goes 1, 2, 3, and then so it's 3 and 4. So that's why D is a minor chord. And if we're going to, in that key, and then if we're going to go to an E, that's also minor. You can kind of tell by the sad sound. 1, 2, 3, that's a 3, and that's a 4. So there it is. Now F, whoops, there we go. As we already learned, F is a major chord. Okay, so major chords, there you go. And G is also a major chord because of that 4 and the 3. Okay, you can count those up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. There's our G major. All right, now we have our A, major or minor? What do you think? Yeah, that sounds pretty sad. It's a minor key, minor chord, I mean. We go up 3, so we start on A, we go up 3, and then we go up 4. So that's our minor. And then finally we have our B. All right, now why this, if you really carefully look, right, it goes up 3, and then it goes up 3 again, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So because that's a 3 and 3, That's a diminished chord. And so I've written that down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And these are done in Roman numerals just to make it so we don't confuse them with the notes, which are just regular Arabic numerals, 1, 2, 3, like, you know. And so we write them in these Roman numerals. And then the other thing you'll notice is that capitals, capital Roman numeral means a major chord. So C is major, F and G are major chords. And then we have D minor. We write an M there, a little m to indicate that's a minor chord. 3 is lowercase, so it's an E minor. And then we have our 6 is lowercase, that's an A minor. So those are the 3 minor chords. So we have major, we got 2 minors, then we have a major, whoops, oh my God, the little screen, there we go. Got a major, another major, minor, and then we have a diminished chord. And then if we go up one more, we're back to C again. Whoops. Now we're back to playing a 1 chord again. We don't write that because it repeats. Now we're back to C again. So those are the 7 notes. Sorry, those are the 7 chords in the key of C major. All right. And in the next video, I'm going to show you some of the other scales, chords, scales in other keys. All right. Be right back to you with the next video.